Thessalonian you're fighting. He's the biggest man I've ever seen. I wouldn't want to fight him.
That's why no one will remember your name.
You ready? Let's go! Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man, Ryu had the stupidest verses, dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots, his stocks through the roof. I heard he f***ing with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting.
You know what's there? Waiting beyond that beach. Immortality! Take it! It's yours!
Alright guys, here's the cat daddy.
They say we all would be more, but we don't have to be. I'm bad behavior, but I do it in the best way. I'll be the watcher, I'll be the eternal flame. I'll be the guard dog of all your fever dreams. I am the sand in the bottom half of the hourglass, glass. I try to picture me without you, but I can't. Cause we could be immortals, just love alone. Blackout curtains down, just love alone. Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's just again and again. Every day I'm still comparing your past to my future. It might be the mighty soldiers. I am the sand in the bottom half of the hourglass, glass. I try to picture me without you, but I can't. Cause we could be